Boys and girls, Chelsea Pete, and welcome to cabin tour, room number 9735. This is a single balcony cabin. Let's go in, shall we? The light on. Put that one goes in there. And this is basically it, everyone. This is it. This is a single balcony cabin. You get like a cupboard over there. You get room for your clothes. My suit's there, so now I can see that to the suit day. And jumpers, socks, shorts. I'm not finished packing yet, but when that stuff's that big fill up, it's basically it's like this. Oh yes, everyone, right. Look, everyone, this is quite small, but it's good though. You got all the space you need to actually do stuff with. So yeah, show you the cabin. Let's see. Show you the balcony. Very spacious aft balcony. It's a very spacious aft. It's a bit dark here if you won't see much, but if you can't see it, no. That though. Wow. But tonight I'm going to be going to see a 10:30 show. So I'll try to do something with that. I might just take a few pictures, put a few pictures up. If you got me on Facebook, stay there for a while. Just look at that. Just look at that. We're in Southampton, everyone. Not ready to leave yet. Oh yeah, these videos, everyone. We're gonna do ship tours. We're gonna do all kinds of stuff. We're gonna go out on the shore excursions. We're gonna do videos on there. Do videos on the ship. Do a lot of things, everyone. This is only a first of many. It's only the first of many, everyone. So, in Chelsea Pete. This has been a quick room tour. And I'll see you all tomorrow morning when I do some more videos properly. Have fun, everyone. Bye bye.